Time for ABC 36 Storm Team Forecast.
A little damp and dreary on this Tuesday as expected here in central and eastern Kentucky, and unfortunately we're not going to see a whole lot of change over the next couple of days. Keep that rain gear handy, off and on rain and a few storms over the course of the next few days. Still monitoring that strong storm potential for the day on Thursday. Area of low pressure spinning right through the heart of the Ohio Valley. The position of it, that'll be key to how things play out. Overall, the weekend, I think, looking mainly dry, and it is going to be a bit warmer. Lexington and the Bluegrass region eastward, Viper radar front and center with some steady rain, especially out I-75 and 64, Richmond Road as well from downtown. It is a wet commute. Same drill over to Winchester, Mount Sterling as well. Much of the rest of the region beginning to see this steady activity that we had much of the afternoon going by the wayside. Now up to the north in the warmer air and where they had some sunshine, got a few thunderstorms popping up there across parts of central and northern Ohio. Wet weather downtown Mount Sterling there in front of the Montgomery County Courthouse, and with that rain cooled air, 55, that's it, even with a bit of a southwest wind at 10 to 15. So that pocket of cool air with the rain diminishing into the mid to upper 50s. Elsewhere, we're generally into the low 60s as expected. Temperatures held in check today because of the clouds and the rain. Boundary out to our west. Main player over the next couple of days, this area of low pressure that is going to be on the move. Unfortunately, could see some really organized higher end severe weather threat down across parts of the deep south tomorrow into southern Mississippi and Alabama. Short-term futurecast, notice not a whole lot of coverage, so maybe a drier window, if anything, a few sprinkles, passing showers, and then during the overnight, develops south and moves up toward the I-64 corridor, heading toward daybreak. And then we may end up seeing another little break in the action with the activity being more widely scattered tomorrow afternoon. If this scenario plays out, I think we sneak into the low 70s, so temperatures could easily overachieve. We're going to do a little better than what we did today. And be more like yesterday. Area of low pressure, again, the exact track of that critical. If it goes right through the heart of the bluegrass, I do think that puts us more in line for the stronger storm threat. Anyway, slice it up, we're going to have to watch it. And then on the backside of it, it will be a touch cooler as we see some of that lingering rain. Here's the severe threat for Thursday in yellow, level 2 out of 5. Bluegrass region, basically along the Howell Rogers Parkway, London Hazard, and then points to the north and northeast of that, surrounded by the level 1. So solid rain chances, catching a few lingering showers, and notice the weekend, pretty decent, just kind of a low-end chance here. Rainfall totals by the time we wrap this thing up later on Friday and into Saturday morning, we could be talking good solid 1.5 to 2 inches plus, depending on location. So definitely more rain to come. The amount of coverage will have an impact on just how mild it gets the next couple of days. Again, don't be surprised if a few locations don't sneak into the low 70s. Definitely cooler as that low exits on Friday. Again, the weekend looks pretty good. Not a washout, just low-end isolated storm chances into early next week with highs in the low to mid 70s.